Hi, friends. It's Miss Ruff, and I'm in my house. I thought I would make a quick video to help you guys practice some of the things we've been working really hard at right before we got sent home for snow. Next week, we're going to be taking our Unit 7 assessment. So anything that you practice with our addition and our addition word problems is going to be helpful. This video is going to be specifically about adding three addends together. Three. So I'm going to go over the strategy that is most efficient and then some other strategies that we can talk about. What is on my screen right now is a perfect example of a problem that has three parts. So this problem has, let's see, 3 plus 6 plus 2. And in this example, they represented the parts using a picture or objects, manipulatives. In this picture, they used cubes. We can see our 3, we can see our 6, and we can see our 2. So that's one way that we can solve this problem. You can draw a picture, you can use dots, you can use a counter. There are other ways that we can, give me 1 second, let me get out of that. We can also solve it using, by breaking the problem into multiple equations. I'm going to give you an example of how that works here. Yoko runs 10 miles. She bikes 7 miles. And then she walks 2 miles. How many does she travel? How many miles does she travel? Draw to show your thinking. So this problem is presenting us with three addends. We have 10 plus 7 plus 2. And there's a couple different ways we can solve. We can use a number line, we can draw a picture. The strategy that I'm going to use here is going to be solving a chunk of the equation and then solving the last part. So the first chunk that I'm going to solve, I personally think 10 plus 7 is really easy because I can do that in my head. A 10 plus 7 makes 17. That's a 10 fact. It's easy to calculate. But I'm not done. That's only one part of my problem. I still have to add my 2. So I'm going to do 17 plus 2 more. And then from there, I only have to count on 2. I start at 17. 17, 18, 19. So I know that my total is 19 miles. We can also solve this using a number line. I don't have a virtual number line here, but I think I can pull one up in another video. So I will make sure I do that. Let's do another example. I'm having trouble scrolling. Here we go. Jaden has 5 animal stickers, 4 car stickers, and 5 sports stickers. How many does he have? So again, the question's giving us 3 addends. 5 plus 4 plus 5. And it's asking us how many altogether. Looking at these addends, my mind is looking for some numbers that are friendly. Looking for some numbers that I want to call easy or efficient. And I'm noticing that there's a 5 and a 5, and I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I'm going to add these two numbers together to make a 10. But I'm not done. I still have to add this 4. So I'm going to do 10 plus 4. And again, that's easy for me to do mentally. I know there's 1 10 and 4 1s. There are 14 stickers total. like I said, you may not prefer to do the equations. You may prefer to draw a picture. Tobin buys 5 peaches, 2 bananas, and 8 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can add using a option. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 pieces of fruit. To make this picture easier to take in, we like to circle our 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 10 plus 5 more. If anyone has any questions or concerns, just send me a message and I'm going to get out a video on how to use a number line with 3 addends. Thank you so much. Have a great day.